Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by mapping devices. Open Voicemeeter and put your microphone on hardware input 1 so the app controls it. Once done, choose a hardware out, A1 for monitoring so you hear changes live. Make sure Windows output is routed to Voicemeeter VEO or AUX. This capture system sounds separately. This avoids feedback and ensures noise tools in Voicemeeter affect only the mic. Now you're ready to apply the built-in gate and EQ steps that follow. You'll use the gate first. Set threshold so quiet room noise disappears, typically between -40 and -60 dB, then tweak attack and release for natural cuts. Next, use the compressor. Start with a 2:1 ratio and a threshold near -20 dB to tame peaks and let the gate work better. Then open the equalizer and cut low rumble around 100 to 300 Hz, while gently boosting 2 to 5 kHz for intelligence. You'll finalize by adding a de-esser or a third-party noise reduction plugin if sibilance or high-frequency hiss remains, and then record a test clip. Make sure peak levels sit around -12 to -6 dB LUFS so there's headroom for processing. If you still hear noise, troubleshoot hardware. Check microphone cables, avoid cheap USB hubs, and reduce preamp gain. Those are common hidden culprits. If all else fails, restart Voicemeeter and reapply settings. That often clears routing glitches.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.